Good morning ulit mga kababayan. Ngayon tuturo ko naman sa inyo itong last part ng solar na gagawin kong manual switch. Kasi wala siyang manual. So lalagyan ko siya ng manual switch. So yung part 1 ko, tinanggal ko itong part 1 is removing PIR sensor. So tinry natin to. Pero may video ako hindi ko na tinanggal itong IC. Pero meron din akong video na tinanggal ko tong PIR, remove PIR, remove tong timer IC. Sa part 2 yan. Part 1 ito, part 2. Yan, tinanggal ko na sila. So, removing the PIR sensor and the timer. Okay. Ngayon, lalagyan ko naman ito ng switch. Switch. Para may switch ko siya ng manual ito. On and off switch. So, sa paglalagay niyan, hanapin mo lang yung transistor na malapit sa LED. LED. Katulad nito. Switching transistor. Find the switching transistor near the LED. This one is LED. Okay. And the switching transistor near the LED is this one. Okay. This is the LED. This is the switching transistor. So, dito ko tatry ilagay yung ating switch. Okay. So, kung hindi nyo pa sure, pwede ninyong tong pinset, idikit nyo rito, touch this, para malaman nyo kung yun ang switch para sa LED. Katulad nito. Just like this. Okay. We'll put the battery here. And then the solar charging. Okay. Solar charging. Parang ganito. Ganito na nga. So, try to switch this one if iilaw. Okay. Can you see the light? So, short nyo lang muna ito. Temporary. Ayun. Milaw. Okay. So, dito natin nilalagay ang switch. So, the switch must be between here. Okay. Okay. So, ayan siya. May ilaw na siya. Switch dito. I will switch here. Tingnan natin yung ilaw dyan. Okay. Okay. So, we will put switch here. Basta yung transistor na malapit sa LED. Ayan siya. Tinatouch ko lang ng pinset. Para hindi na natin gamitin tong switching na to. Ayan. Okay. So now, solder ko na itong ating remove muna. Remove the battery, the solar, the connector. Ito na lang ang matitira. Okay. So, ito yung transistor na malapit sa transistor na malapit sa LED. Okay. Okay. Then solder the wire here. Let's put a little solder here. Okay. So that's it. So ito na yung switch natin. Ito na yung magma-manual switch natin. So let's try. Try ko na kung effective itong ating ano. This is effective switch. Put the solar charging battery solar charging, and then the LED. Oh, okay. On, off, on, off. Okay. Ayan siya. So, tinanggal natin tong PIR sensor. Try to remove it. And then the timer. Okay. Now, let me switch manually. Okay. No fluctuation. Okay. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Hanapin nyo lang yung transistor doon sa itong switching transistor dito sa malapit sa LED. Switching transistor. And okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching, mga kababayan and anyone. This video is part 1, part 2, part 3. Removing PIR sensor, removing IC, and then connecting the switch manually. Okay, thank you for watching again.